Duplex Printing Explained, simplifying technology for language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of printing technology: duplex printing. Whether you're at home or in an office, understanding this feature can make your printing tasks much more efficient. So, let's dive into what duplex printing is and how it works. Duplex printing is a feature found in printers that allows the automatic printing of a sheet of paper on both sides. This is incredibly useful for saving paper and reducing the bulk of documents. Traditional printing methods often require manually flipping the paper to print on the second side, but duplex printers handle this automatically, making the process more convenient and efficient. There are two main types of duplex printing. 1. Automatic duplex printing. This is the most convenient type. The printer automatically prints on one side of the paper, then flips it over and prints on the other side without any manual intervention. 2. Manual duplex printing. In this type, the printer prints on one side of the paper, and then you manually reinsert the paper to print on the other side. It's less convenient but can be found in printers where automatic duplexing is not available. Understanding these types helps in selecting the right printer for your needs and in using your current printer more effectively. Duplex printing offers several advantages. Saves paper. By printing on both sides of a page, you use half the amount of paper you would normally use. Environmentally friendly. Reducing paper usage also means you're contributing to environmental conservation. Cost-effective. Less paper usage translates to lower expenses on paper supplies. Space-efficient. Documents with printing on both sides take up less space, which is ideal for filing and storage. To use duplex printing, follow these steps. 1. Check if your printer supports duplex printing. 2. Select the Print option from your computer. 3. Look for a setting named Print on both sides or similar. 4. Choose between Flip on long edge or Flip on short edge, depending on how you want your document to read. 5. Click Print and let the printer do the rest. That's all about duplex printing. We hope this video has shed light on what duplex printing is, its types, benefits, and how to use it. By embracing this technology, you can make your printing tasks more efficient while being kind to your wallet and the planet. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!